Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I am excited not only to review a knife, but also to give it away. So, welcome to April's knife review and giveaway. I will be doing a knife giveaway every month, and also I will be doing a knife giveaway every time I hit a good, I guess, subscriber count mark. So when I do that, I will give away another one. I think the next one will be at 35,000 subscribers. So when I hit that mark, I'll do another giveaway. I do giveaways on Instagram all the time, so go ahead and check them out there as well. There are actually a couple coming up this week on Thursday. Let's start with a review and giveaway of the Kubey Wolverine. So guys, this one is actually a knife from my collection. So every monthly knife giveaway is going to be a knife from my collection. So I decided to give this one away because I actually enjoy it, and I have another Kubey knife. So I have the Vagrant, which I also reviewed here on my channel. I will put the link here so you guys can check it out, and I enjoy it very much. And Kubeys are doing a great job with budget-friendly knives. So this one's a budget-friendly knife, the Vagrant is a budget-friendly knife, and I honestly love them. So here we go. This one is the Wolverine. My version is on G10 handle material in black. It comes in different colors, and also it comes with micarta scales and other models. And I have the stone-washed D2 blade. I honestly, I'm gonna describe the knife a little bit, and then I'm gonna tell you how much this knife costs, because for being a budget-friendly knife, I think it's a great value for the price. And I love that Kubey is doing these because it allows people to have a very decent quality knife that you can use really for a lot of purposes and not break the bank. This one's actually advertised more as an outdoor kind of knife, sort of like a camping, outdoorsy kind of knife. However, I feel like it's a utility kind of knife as well. You can probably carry it as an EDC if you need to. If you know that you're gonna probably beat it up, if you know that you're gonna hand it to someone else to cut something, this is the kind of knife you wanna have. You don't wanna hand someone else like a $300 knife. So at least I don't want to, but. Okay, let's talk specs, and then I'll give you a few more features on the knife. So actually, let me go there again. So this is full length of 8.31 inches, blade length of 3.5 inches, handle length of 4.75 inches, and the blade thickness is actually 0.138 inches. Now, anything else? Oh, the weight is 5.52 ounces. You know, it doesn't feel like a lightweight knife. It feels like there's some meat to it. But it's comfortable. And again, I always have to kind of like remind myself how much this knife is worth when I'm talking about it, because I cannot be overly critical about a knife that's actually $35. This is definitely going in my budget-friendly playlist, which I have reviewed quite a few. But finding a less than $40 knife that has been so well thought out, it's pretty cool. There's a couple cool features I want to share with you guys. So let's talk about the jimping on the flipper. This is a favorite for me because, as I always mention with flippers, there's a huge chance really of missing the flip. And that jimping on it, I think it's well thought out because it feels, you can feel it in your finger. So when you actually open it, it feels like it will be a successful flip, if that makes sense. There's some jimping also on the blade right here, and the handle has some grooves over here. I would call that jimping as well. And the handle, you know, it's interesting because to me it's different. So it's G10, but it does have this groove here that you can see that sort of helps you fidget with your thumb, making it kind of an extra fun feature, because nobody here can tell me that they don't have knives that they just play with. And I play with all my knives. And by that I mean, you know, we fidget with them and we open them and close them and so on. So this one's kind of fun to do that. It closes very well. It has a liner lock mechanism right here. Well designed. It has a tip-up deep pocket carry clip and a lanyard hole right here. The clip is stainless steel, also stone washed as the blade, which I kind of like that. I like that they have matched the hardware of the blade to the rest of the knife. Overall, in the budget friendly category, I think it's a good one. K2 steel. Honestly, I'm always impressed with Kubey because ever since I reviewed the Vagrant and then I got this one, I kind of feel like they have something going for them. Budget category, well done knives. So, good one for Kubey. So I'm giving it away. How do you participate, you ask? You like this video, you subscribe to my channel, and you leave me a comment. That's it. And this is gonna be the rules for every giveaway I do every month. You're also gonna get a couple LittleFitDevil stickers, and I also always throw away a surprise or something. So go ahead and participate it, share it with the people in your life that love knives, and I really feel like this is a good one. And stay, oh my gosh, I cannot talk today, you guys. It's like I had a braces fixing today, but I didn't. I'm just not graceful today. I don't even know what I was saying. Doesn't matter, I was done. If you guys want to know a little bit more about my lifestyle, follow me on Instagram. I also have a Patreon and a Teespring store. And if you like what I do, please consider subscribing to this channel. I have a lot of knife reviews, and I have creative concealed carry ideas and some fun short videos that tend to be pretty popular. So check them out. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you soon in another knife review.